Good morning, dear students. I am Jansi Miss, teaching you chemistry. You know that matter is made up of many small kind of particles called atoms. And atom is the smallest particle of an element. Atoms combine to form molecules. And you have studied about elements also. Elements are made up of similar kind of atom. There are nearly 118 elements are there. So it is difficult to know the properties of all these elements separately. So these elements are arranged in a table called the periodic table. And you have learned the symbol of different elements. Like, see, look at the periodic table. Hydrogen, it is having atomic number 1. That also you studied, I think. The atom contains 3 particles called electron, proton, and neutron. Atomic number is the total number of protons. And mass number, it is the total number of proton plus neutron. Atomic number, it is the number of proton, or we can say it is the number of electron also. Because in an atom, number of electron is equal to number of protons. So atom is chemically neutral. And look at the symbol of hydrogen, it is H. Its atomic number is 1. That means it contains only 1 electron. And look at the symbol of lithium, it is Li. And see how it is written? If it is only 1 letter, it should be written in capital letter. And these elements are represented in the form of symbols. So the symbol of hydrogen is H. It is only 1 letter, so it is written in capital letter. And the symbol of lithium is Li. So the first letter should be in capital letter and second letter should be in small letter. This all you have studied in last year. Just I revised. Then Na. Sodium, its Latin name is natrium. So the first 2 letter Na. N capital letter, A small letter. Then coming magnesium, Mg. So you should learn all the symbols of all the elements. Not all, means important elements. Important elements like hydrogen, lithium, that is given in your textbook. So the symbols which is given in your textbook, that you should learn by heart. You know that element is represented in terms of symbol. So what are the information given by a symbol? Like H. H means it represents the name of element. That means hydrogen. It represents 1 atom of the element. And it also represents its atomic mass. So, from the symbol of the element, we can understand name of the element, 1 atom of the element, and its atomic mass. Similarly, this symbol of carbon is C. That means it represents the element carbon, 1 atom of carbon, its atomic mass 12 gram. And there are different types of atoms like monoatomic. Example, helium. That means, you know that atom combine to form molecules. So atom combine to form molecule. Monoatomic means its molecule contain only one atom. Example, helium, He, sodium, Na, then potassium, K. Then diatomic means the molecule contain two atoms. Like mostly all gases are diatomic, like hydrogen. See, H2. Its symbol is H, but its formula is H2. And chlorine, its symbol is Cl, but its formula is Cl2. And oxygen, its symbol is O, but its formula is O2. And see, monoatomic, helium, its symbol and formula both Hc. And sodium, its symbol and formula of sodium is Na because it is monoatomic. And there is triatomic molecule, that is ozone. You have heard about ozone, no? The formula of ozone is O3. That means its molecule contain 3 atoms. Tetratomic. That means P4. P means the symbol of phosphorus. It contains 4 atoms. The molecule of phosphorus contains 4 atoms. Then octa means 8. So octatomic, S8, sulfur. So 4 type, monoatomic, diatomic, 5 type, monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetratomic, octatomic. I think all of you understood this. Then next, next is formula. See, formula of oxygen is O2. That means oxygen molecule contains 2 atoms. And formula of water is H2O. And look here, just below H, it is written 2. And just below oxygen, it is written nothing. That means 1. So, water molecule contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. And see another molecule, H2SO4. Do you know this? Which is this molecule? It is sulfuric acid. It is the strongest acid. It is sulfuric acid. It contains 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur, and 4 atoms of oxygen. Namely, and one more thing, carbon dioxide. It contains 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. So, from the formula of a given molecule, we can understand which are the elements present in the given molecule and the number of atoms of each element and the relative atomic mass. So, formula represent the different elements present in the molecule, number of atoms of each element, and its relative atomic mass. So, we have studied about the symbol, formula, then monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic. So, symbol represent an element. It is the shortest form of an element. The first letter should be written in capital letter. Second letter should be in a small letter. Formula represent one molecule. And from the formula, we can understand the different types of elements, its relative atomic mass. So, learn all these things for the next period. Thank you, dear students.